హాయ్ గైస్ అండ్ వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ ఫార్మ్ డెవలపర్. సో ఎవరైతే జీప్యాడ్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారో వాళ్ళకి నేను సబ్జెక్ట్ వైజ్గా ఒక 25 ఎంసీక్యూస్ని షేర్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ ఈ ఎంసీక్యూస్ మీకు ఉపయోగపడతాయి అనుకుంటున్నాను ఎవరైతే జీప్యాడ్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారో వాళ్ళకి. సో నా ఛానల్ని ఇంకా ఎవరైతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయలేదో వాళ్ళు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. The first level of structural organization consists of A. Cells, B. Cells and tissues, C. Tissues, D. Organs and organ system. So the answer is A. The second level of structural organization consists of cells, organs, tissues, organ systems. So answer is tissues. The third level of structural organization consists of organ systems, tissues, cells, organs. So the answer is organ systems. And humor is a cranial bone, nasal bone, facial bone and thigh bone. So cranial is a the answer is facial bone. Answer is facial bone. And next, fifth one, diaphysis is also known as aftershaft, shaft, periosteum, endosteum. So the answer is shaft. Knee bone is tibia and fibula and patella, tarsals and metatarsals. So the answer is tibia and fibula. Bones of the sole are phalanges, metatarsals, ankle bones, knee bones. So the answer is metatarsals. The two hip bones are also known as coxal bones, os coxae, pelvic bones, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. And next, ninth one, Addison disease is a disorder of adrenal gland, thyroid gland, pituitary gland and parathyroid gland. So the answer is adrenal gland. So 10th one, immature thymocytes are produced in bone marrow, liver, GIT, none of the above. So the answer is bone marrow. Which of the following factors regulate the blood volume? Exercise, gender, posture, thrust. The answer is thrust. Hemophilia is a disorder of coagulation, leukocytes, platelets and erythrocytes. So the answer is A, coagulation. All preganglionic autonomic neurons secrete acetylcholine, epinephrine, dopamine and 5-hydroxy tripatamine. So the answer is A, acetylcholine. In cell cycle, significance of S phase is cell maturation, DNA synthesis, resting stage and none of the above. So the answer is none of the above. 15th one, which of the following represents the outermost layer of the heart? Myocardium, endocardium, pericardium, none. So the answer is C, pericardium. And the 16th one, outer layer of cell contains dash organelle, Na plus, K plus, Ca plus, chlorine minus. So the answer is C, Ca plus. Dash organ does not have parasympathetic inversions: stomach, skin, brain, lungs. So the answer is B, skin. Trochlear nerve comes under dash nerve category: sensory, motor, mixed, none. So the answer is motor. Hematopoiesis is means formation of basophils, neutrophils, eosinophils, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. 20, junction between postsynaptic neuron and muscle is called as synapse, ganglia, neuromuscular junction and none. So the answer is neuromuscular junction. 21, dash matured cell does not have nucleus. So A option, RBC, WBC, platelets, and none. The answer is RBC. The tissue that lines and cover the body is epithelial, B muscle, C nerves, and D none. So the answer is A epithelial. And next, going to our 23rd question. 23rd question. Which lymphatic organ has largest amount of lymphatic tissue? A thymus, B spleen, C tonsils, D appendix. So the answer is B spleen. 24 dash blood group is called universal recipient. A option A positive, B positive, C AB positive, D O positive. So the answer is C AB positive. And 25th dash nerves does not form pelix. A cervical, B cranial, C lumbar, D sacral. So the answer is cranial. So guys, today MCQs these are, and support me అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. అండ్ ఇంకా ఎవరైతే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయలేదో వాళ్ళు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. సో అలా ప్రెస్ చేస్తే నేను చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ వస్తుంది అండ్ మీరే ముందుగా చూస్తారు. సో ఇంకా కొత్త కొత్త MCQస్తో మీ ముందుకు వస్తాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. We will meet in the next video.